Hello, little friends. Today we meet our family. Family means the people we love. First, let's say hello to Mom. Mom loves you and gives the warmest hugs. Mom takes such good care of you. Next, who protects our family? That's Dad. Dad reads stories to you. Dad says, "Good night" every night. Now let's go to the kitchen. Grandma is there. Grandma is the mother of your mom or dad. Grandma cooks yummy food and tells wonderful stories. Then we see Grandpa. Grandpa is the father of your mom or dad. Grandpa walks with you and teaches you new things. Look, that's Brother. Brother is a brave boy. Brother protects and helps you every day. And don't forget, Sister. Sister is a kind girl. Sister shares everything with you. Shh. Be very quiet. Baby is here. Baby is very small. Baby sleeps all day long. Also, meet Uncle. Uncle is the brother of your mom or dad. He fixes your toys when they break. And here is Aunt. Aunt is the sister of your mom or dad. Aunt sings beautiful songs for you.
This is the head. Head, head. Oh, here is the hair. Hair, hair. See this? These are the eyes. Eyes, eyes. Wow, here's the nose. Nose, nose. And here's the mouth. Mouth, mouth. Look closely. These are the ears. Ears, ears. Don't forget the arms, arms, arms. Here are the hands. Hands, hands. Look at these little fingers. Fingers, fingers. And here are the legs. Legs, legs. And finally, the feet. Feet, feet. Now let's say them all quickly. Head, hair, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, arms, hands, fingers, legs, feet. Great job, little one. Quick quiz time. Question 1. Can you guess what we use to see everything around us? Yes, these are the eyes. Question 2. Which body part helps us hear sounds? Exactly, these are the ears. Question 3. What do we use to walk and run? Right! These are the feet. Awesome job! Now you know all the body parts. Head, hair, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, arms, hands, fingers, legs, feet. You're amazing!
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to support us. Your support helps us make more fun videos.